The purpose of this section is to familiarize you with hydraulic pumps. In order for a hydraulic system to work correctly, it must be powered by an appropriate pump. An appropriate pump is one that is the correct size and type for the application. Hydraulic pumps are rated according to the hydraulic pressure it can develop in pounds per square inch and the rate of flow it provides in gallons per minute. Many pumps are designed so their speed and flow can be varied so they can control the speed of a cylinder or motor that they power. These pumps are also known as variable displacement pumps since their displacement can change. With a fixed displacement pump, each rotation of the pump produces a fixed amount of flow. Both variable displacement and fixed displacement pumps are positive displacement pumps. This means they displace the same amount of fluid no matter what the pressure is. In theory, if the pump is spinning, the fluid has to move no matter what the pressure is. Typically, as the pressure increases in a pump, its efficiency decreases. Every positive displacement pump system should have some type of relief valve in it. Without the relief valve, you could have catastrophic failure of a hose or fitting in a system that is not rated for the pressure that could be developed. An example of a pump that is not a fixed displacement is a centrifugal pump. These pumps can be thought of as dynamic pumps, like a water pump or a compressor. A centrifugal pump works off of centrifugal force. This means the amount of flow it produces is a function of the pressure downstream. If there's less restriction, it will produce more flow, and if there is more restriction, it will produce less flow. You can characterize any pump with a pump curve, which shows flow versus restriction. You can think of a pump curve kind of like a torque curve. Each pump produces a different curve based on its abilities. A piston pump is a type of fixed displacement hydraulic pump. Each time a piston pump makes one complete revolution, each cylinder fills with fluid and pumps it out. The position or angle of the swash plate determines the stroke of the piston, and therefore the amount of displacement of the pump. In a fixed displacement piston pump, the swash plate angle doesn't change. On the other hand, a variable displacement pump changes the swash plate angle and therefore the amount of displacement. In the next video, we will look at how we can calculate piston pump flow rate.